welcome back to my channel. It's Hairlista here again, bringing you another video. And today's video I'm going to be reviewing one of the products I use for my hair care. Plus, if you know you are interested in hair care videos, tip routines and much more, make sure to join the family by hitting that lovely subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. And now without further ado, let's get right into this video. From the last video I uploaded, you guys can see that I'm not really a product junkie. I actually use a few products. I'm going to be reviewing one of the products I talked about in that video. I'm going to be reviewing the Mega Growth Super Strength Relaxer. This is not a sponsored video. It is just my own opinion and results from using this particular relaxer. The Profectiv Mega Growth Relaxer has different strengths. There is the regular strength and there is the super strength. I normally use the super strength because when I use the regular strength, I found out that my hair was kind of under processed. But this has done a wonderful job on my hair. I love Profectiv Mega Growth. Like most of my products, as you could see from my last video, are from Profectiv Mega Growth. That is because of their protein content. I found out that my hair was high porosity, so I had to step up my protein game. So that's why most of the products I use for my hair are actually Profectiv Mega Growth, which actually contain protein. Even though it is a relaxer, it contains protein and it also contains moisturizer. As you can see from the ingredients: water, hydrolyzed soy protein, hydrolyzed wheat protein, tea tree oil, oat protein, vegetable protein, olive oil. So you can see that this product contains both moisturizers and protein ingredients, even though it is a relaxer. Plus, this pack actually comes with a neutralizing shampoo. This has two sachets. There is the relaxer itself and there is the cream activator. Okay, I know this has an effect of the hair, but I personally love the pink color of this cream activator. Very wonderful product. I don't get under processed hair, I don't get over processed hair with using it. It's just perfect. Plus, it comes with a neutralizing shampoo, it has moisturizing ingredients, it has protein ingredients. So I would say this relaxer is just perfect for my hair. For the cons of using this product, I have not really seen any, but the thing is, for those that have fine textured hair, you can't really use this because it's going to lead to hair damage. Those with fine textured hair, you can go for the regular strength. Super strength is better for those that have coarse hair. Plus, you have to be really fast with using this product. Most people use gloves, so it won't really matter, but personally for me, if you check out my relaxer video, you find out that I used my bare hands to relax my hair. Even though it looks weird, yeah, I know, but I just find it easier doing that instead of using gloves on my hair. So that's why I do that. So that's why I make sure that when I'm using this product, I'm very fast so that I won't get my fingers damaged. That is all I have to say about this product. If you have any more questions about it, you can leave it down in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer your question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this wonderful channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.